Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning Katelyn Hawkins with the Kentucky Beef Council. She's the Director of Product Marketing, visits with us. Good morning, Katelyn.
Good morning.
Well, I'm glad because you're taking me back home. My mom's Korean, and so this is a Korean beef appetizer, and it just shows that beef will go with anything.
It does. It really does. Beef takes on a ton of different flavors, even the intensity of the spicy Korean sauce.
And you know, this sounds complicated, but it's really not.
No, it's really easy. You could honestly prep the bulk majority of this before you go to your party and then assemble on site while you're hanging out with your friends, just chit chat and things like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our hands dirty. So what we've already done is we sliced an English hothouse cucumber. You could use any kind of cucumber. We sliced it on a diagonal just to make it bigger, kind of like you do a crostini, but we're going with a vegetable here so that get that crunch, that freshness. We took cream cheese, mixed it with soy sauce and some green onion. And then we're going to top that with this delicious beef. So what I'm going to have you do, Joanna, is in this bowl, you're going to mix our Korean chili sauce.
Or gochujang,
Yep.
Put that in here, and this is spicy.
It is spicy. It gives a little bit of that kick, but you get the coolness from the cucumber and that creaminess from the cream cheese.
Nice flavors that marry together.
Yes.
Okay.
So in there, you're going to do unseasoned rice wine vinegar.
Okay. So that's going to give us a little tang with our spice.
And then you do the honey to give you that sweetness.
All right. Mix that in.
And with garlic, right? Yes. Everything goes good with garlic.
Especially beef. So we want to put that in there as well. Now, is this recipe online?
It is. So we have this at kybeef.com as well as some of our other beef month recipes.
Okay.
Or just beef in general recipes. So we're going to mix all that together, and then you're going to take this steak. So we took a New York strip steak, we cut it up. This recipe is great for if you want to grill a steak specifically for it, or if you have some leftover beef and you need a nice little different take on a lunch option for you, you could use it for this as well.
And so we're just going to take this and coat it with all this great sauce.
Yes, we're just going to toss it in there.
Okay. Can I use these tongs, Katelyn? Was
that yeah.
Okay.
One thing you always want to keep in mind is if you're utilizing raw product, you want to use a different pair of tongs for cooked product. That way you're being food safe and you're not getting any cross-contamination, things like that.
Okay, so that looks great.
Yep. So once we have it all tossed together, you're just going to take a strip of beef and put it over top of each one of the cucumbers.
Okay. And so this isn't that hard, mixing it up, putting it on there, and it's going to really impress your guests.
It is. I mean, it looks like a showstopper. It looks complicated, but it's super easy.
Absolutely. All right. Now, grilling. Where do we want this? What type of cut is this, did you say?
So this is a New York strip, which is super easy, delicious. It's considered a lean cut of beef. When you're grilling or cooking beef in general, when you're talking about steaks, you want to make sure you hit 145 degrees, which is your medium rare. Always use a meat thermometer so you make sure you're staying on point. For this, we're going to top this with a little bit of green onion to get a little bit more color. You could top it with toasted sesame seeds, some sliced almond. We've got a little bit of carrot in here. Microgreens will be good, but I think they're kind of hard to find in the grocery store. So I usually always have green onion or carrot, especially with gardens coming on, things like that.
Absolutely. A farmer's market, I know we have a lot of microgreens available there.
That's a good option, yeah, for sure.
You would be able to kind of top that, but they're real customizable. You could use whatever you had on hand because all those flavors are going to marry together and give you a nice kind of party in your mouth.
And you can put it on just a nice little wooden cutting board or a silver tray, plates up beautifully, quick, easy, simple, refreshing, perfect for all of your summer grilling needs.
Absolutely. Now, May is Beef Month, and you guys have these shirts that I want to talk just a little bit about because you guys are doing a really cool thing with these.
Right. So we are partnering with Wildcat Warehouse based out of Lexington, and for these shirts, there are Raising the Steaks beef shirts. The sales from 50% of the sales on this goes to Feeding Kentucky, which goes to benefit those 1 in 6 Kentuckians that are food insecure.
Absolutely. And then that enters them to win possibly the prize pack, right?
Yes, so we have our Ultimate Grilling prize pack. That'll be a Weber tabletop grill, an Amazon Echo Dot, as well as all your grilling essentials and beef.
What more could you ask for? So you get a really cool shirt, you get to help a great cause, and you get entered to win the prize pack. So all this information is on KentuckyBeef.com?
Yep, if you go to kybeef.com, you can find all that information and more.
All right, Katelyn, we'll certainly appreciate the information. I can't wait to dive into one of these. Go to KentuckyBeef.com, find more information and recipes, and make sure to buy one of the shirts to enter the drawing. Katelyn, appreciate you coming down.
Thanks so much.
And if you have any questions, you want to contact your local extension office, we'd be happy to help and direct you in the right direction. But remember, May is beef month, so go out, eat beef, and celebrate. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.